Hey, this is the shack the dentist built, and I'm here to share with you how to put together this gorilla cart on the shack the dentist built. Before I do, make sure you like my channel, subscribe to my videos, so you can get updates on all my videos. So, look, we got a gorilla cart. This is a nice little cart here. You know, you can pull it like a wagon, or you can pull the handle off, and you can put it on your lawnmower and tow it around. And then if you look down here, you see it's got that nice little dump thing, and it's supposed to be able to carry, well, let's see, it's towable. I already told you that. Durable and rugged, and it's got a 1,200 pound 6 cubic feet capacity. That's incredible. And so today we're going to show you how to put it together, and we're going to do a little review on what we think about it. Let's get started. So our gorilla cart comes with this instruction packet here. Gives you the assembly instruction. You can see I've already got it started. I've got the rear axle up on top here. I put it up on top of my table. I'll pull it over so you can grab the bottom and twist the nuts into place. And then they give you this nut and bolt package. It's got all your nuts and bolts in it, and they even tell you the tools that you're going to need to get this thing done. And the tools that you'll need are a screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a couple of wrenches. So let's get started. You got a bolt, 2 washers, and a lock nut. It's got that plastic lock nut in there. You take the big washer, you're going to put it in there first, and you're going to thread it up. Let me see if I can show you how to do this. You're going to thread it up through the bottom, slide it up into there, and you're going to put your other washer, like that. Put the washer on there, put the nut on there. And we're just putting these things on loosely right now. We'll tighten them up in a couple minutes. Next to these short ones, again, it's the exact same situation. You have a bolt, 2 washers, and a locking nut. You might need 2 people to do this. I'm going to do it on my own though. I'm going to just put it in there, find the hole, push it up, like so, drop the washer on, just like that. We got one on. I can see myself just pulling this thing down my lawn, picking up lawn stuff, bringing it, rocks and stones, and dumping it. I can't wait. Just like that, we have the beginnings. We're going to go get a socket set. I'm going to use a socket instead of open-ended wrenches. On the bottom, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Turn it this way so you can see what I'm doing. I got the socket on one side, put the screwdriver in the other, and then tighten that baby up. I got the axle on, the back axle on. All right. So we're on step 2. We're going to put this little thing on there, and the purpose of this is for your dump bed. We place it like so. And just so you know, this is my wife's Christmas present. All right, so we got that on. We'll tip it up. There we go, just like that. Here's that dump mechanism. Put that there. So, fits right about like that. 2, and these just have 1 washer. That's because on this side it's square, so That square side's going to fit right in here. You can see how square that is? That's going to hold that nice and tight. And then we'll put the washer on the other side. Put this in like so. The washer there. Screw that baby on. Okay, do the same thing over on this side. As I'm looking at this, this metal's nice and strong, and this plastic seems nice and strong. So I'm encouraged that it's going to last a long time. Now what I'm thinking is, you don't want to tighten that on too stinking tight, because here's the reason why you don't want to do that. Because when you loosen this up for the gum, and you lift it up, you don't want it to be so tight that it binds. Got step 3 done. Step 4, hey, we're on to putting the tires on here. All right, so we got 2 sides. The side with the air up chuck goes on the outside, so you can air the tires up. Put them on there. Put your washer on there. And you want to bend that. There we go. One on, one on, one on. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. A sawdusty mess. You know what sawdust is, right? That's a man glitter. Get that man glitter off there. All right. Does not appear to matter which way you put the bolt. Should go in either way. All right, again, you don't want to tighten it too tight, because you want it to be able to swing freely. There you go. What you have is this is the handle to pull the wagon with, and when you want to put it on the mower, you pull this pin and you take this pin. So you whip it around like that, and you put this in your mower, drop the pin in there. It even has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inserts that if you want to put rails up, maybe run them across like that, you can put rails up and make it so that you can carry even more kids, more leaves, more grass. So let me show you the dump function on this. You got that handle, remember the handle I installed? You pull it and you lift up because it's a handle, and what happens is the wheels begin to pull in, and so that the back will begin to drop, making it a little easier to dump. That is the dump, just like that. You want to come back together, you let it drop, drops right into place, just like that. Seemed like a great little cart, this gorilla cart, and I'm really excited to give it to my wife for Christmas, and that's my review, and that's how you put together this gorilla cart. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the cart that sits under the Christmas tree at the shack that Dennis built. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Hey.
Really? I got you a cart.
Just trying to get in this one.
And then you can dump him out. Because it has a dump feature. No, that's not how you do it. You reach down and you pull that handle underneath there. Oh, he dumped it.
That is going to be so
amazing.
So much easier to garden. If I ever get around to gardening next year.
Yeah.
So much easier for her to tell me to go do stuff with.
Yeah, easier to tell Chafin to go do stuff.
That's nice.
Go for a ride, buddy. Go for a ride. Oh, Dad.
Mom.
Dad's taking pictures of Willie. Ah, Willie! Willie! fun, I think.